Here's another study tip from the Learning Cauldron to help with your English revision. Be word aware wherever you are. When you see adverts in newspapers, on TV, or even on a billboard, think about why the wording, together with the visuals, is so effective. Also, when you're reading instructions explaining how to assemble or operate something, stop to ask yourself whether you could have made the instructions clearer if you had written them, and how. If you're on a bus and you overhear the passenger sitting behind you saying something unusual or interesting, think about how you could develop their comment into an idea for a short story. We're all surrounded by written and spoken language most of the day in one way or another. That's what makes English revision so easy and portable. You can practice your English anywhere and everywhere. See you next time.